What do you say we get the top of this cage welded? I took all the bars back out, cleaned everything, got all the notches cleaned up, unbolted the rear pieces. I got those there. Those bolt onto the side, and then this piece here is my upper bar for the rear hoop. And let's do a fit check here. That's right, pretty fucking good. So we'll go ahead and get that top. The top's all welded up. Those are the only ones that I absolutely have to have. That I absolutely have to have the bar down in order to get to. This one here that goes over here, this diagonal bar, I'm actually getting ready to cut that now because I forgot about that one, but I have to get this bar welded before I can start even trying to fit that bar into that part there, and the same thing up here. So we'll get that all done and welded up, and then I've got my door bars there. Or no, door bars are there. That's dash bar. But I couldn't put the dash bar in yet until this is all welded and where it's supposed to be. And I cut holes in the floors, and then I've got my mount boxes here. I just needed to give myself a lot of fucking room to be able to weld these up. But that's it right this second. I'll update you in a minute. Well, that's it for this episode. I ran out of gas while I was welding the crossbar up top. Get you a little view of some of these welds here. Got it all welded up there. Next episode, I'd like to get this bar welded up here and get the diagonal from this up corner to this bottom corner, get the door bars, get the plates that go from the door bars down to the pan, and get the plates that come up the B-pillar, or the A-pillar, I mean, that attach that to that, and there to there, and the bottom of the door sills down to the pan, and then the B-pillar all the way up the B-pillar and across. But I'm waiting on my dimple die set to come in before I can do all of that. I've got my dash bar ready to go. There's a bunch of my bars laying down in there right now. That one there is my diagonal. Then we're going to do a diagonal from that bar down to that bar, down to here. And we're going to do another piece that comes from here across. And you see I cut my holes in the floor there. I got my plates. I'll weld the plates in. Because those plates aren't going to take too much of the stress, because those bars there are all going to be welded to the pan. These are all going to be connected to the pillars, and the front and rear pillars. That's where we're at. Don't forget to like and subscribe.